Someone is still alive, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Steve. Mm-hmm.
Go, yeah.
Yeah, no hold him back. Yeah, when you hold him back, he look camouflage and can barely see.
I'll hold him sideways.
Yeah.
Do I go fishing?
No, we'll try starting. What about the
Barracuda.
Except the barracudas.
He ain't dead yet. I gotta kill him real quick before I take him back up.
Fish almost dead, man. Take up a fish, man. Stop playing that fish.
Yo, me nah try get bite by one of them fish, you know, yam. Me nah try get bite by him. Him still green. You tell me that.
Green. The fish that pass green long time, man. Fish the brown, you know.
I'm done now. You see me?
Take out all of them and put them line up on the soil.
I've been up, boy.
That's the first one, second one,
Third one, yeah. No, the jack was from this morning. I caught him this morning before I even got on the boat.
Yeah, bigger one and second one.
He was first boy this morning.
A blue one I got too.
Me know. Alright, that's how I catch him. Yeah, those are the blackjacks that I was jigging for when you was laying down.
I ate that?
Yeah, I ate that.
Good fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Pick up yourself. Alright, guys, I got some barra that I was going to make up tonight. It's just me and Laurie. We're not going to make that much, but I'm going to do a little bit of escabeche, and that's what she said she's in the mood for. So you don't know escabeche, set up some pepper, some onion, and carrots, and you know, so vinegar and stuff. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get busy and get this together. All right. Totally forgot. I went ahead and seasoned up the fish anyways, but got it done. Getting ready to go in the frying pan. I got the frying pan heating up right now, guys. Frying pan time. So that's heating up, non-stick frying pan. And we'll get this barra in here and fry her up. What's up, guys? Outside. So I got them in here, guys. I'm gonna let them fry on one side for now, and then we just give them a flip afterwards, guys. And then you get the escabeche again. Alright, guys? Stay tuned to Making Shore Fishing. We are out there, guys. Alright, so just gave it a flip a little while ago, guys. I can't be holding the camera and flipping food at the same time, guys. So I decided that after every action, I'll do a little recording and show you what's going on. And this is what it looks like, guys. Color is going into it nice. I want that golden brown into it. Once I get that in, I'll make up my escabeche and it's all ready and good to go. We're on the last lap of this, and this is almost ready, and then I'm going to get busy making the escabeche. Alright, guys? Stay tuned. That's what's up. So that's it on the frying part of this barracuda, and we're about to get busy in making escabeche fish, guys. Alright, guys? Stay tuned. You're Making Shore Fishing. We are out here. Look how pretty that texture is, guys. That's what's up. I went ahead and cut up the escabeche, the pepper, the carrots, and the onions in there, guys. So I have that all ready and sorted out already. So I just mean to get the vinegar into the pot and get the escabeche made up, guys. And that's it. So got ourselves our vinegar. I'm about to drop that in our pot and get that in there. Alright, guys, stay tuned. So we have our vinegar in the pot, guys, and we're about to get our escabeche stuff in here. Trying to work with one hand with the bowl, and I think we got everything in there. Just the carrot left behind. Alright, so now all that stuff in there with the vinegar, the carrot, and the peppers, guys. And that's starting to give off a little steam and that aroma. Love that. That's like an authentic Jamaican smell in any household when people make fish. You can smell it a mile away, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Once this is done, I'll get this on top of that fish, and that's it. It's ready to go outside. I cook my vegetable down till they're too soft. I like them a little bit of crunchiness in it. So we're gonna shut this down now and let it sit for a second, and then we're gonna drop that inside on top of our fish. Alright guys, stay tuned. So let me get this over here. Get this pot over here that we can do what we're doing. Got my fish. That vinegar is awfully strong. Oh my god. Got me good right now. That steam coming off of it, guys. So what I try to do is getting this on here. Wow, that vinegar got me like, whoo. Get it all over it as much as you can, guys. I mean, I like vegetables. I don't know about you guys, but I really like a lot of vegetables in my food. I'm not overdoing it now, but you know, pretty good, guys. What's up? Alright, guys, so let's get some vinegar on top of this. That's what's up. Here you go, guys. Escovitch Barracuda. That's my dinner tonight, guys. That is it. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing outside. That's it, guys. That's it. That was a quick 15-20 minute dinner. Whip up some barracudas, some escovitch, and some white rice, and go on the road, guys. Drop some sauce on this thing now. I'm ready to go. Alright, guys. Bless up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys.